Preparation. In the lower jaw, you should use a steel arch wire with dimensions of at least 017 by 025 for slot 018 or respectively 019 by 025 for slot 022. For canines and premolas, you have to use steel ligatures, even if you're using self-ligating brackets. To increase anchorage in the lower jaw and to minimize the risk of a proclination of the lower incisors, you have to make a distal chinge back as close to the buccal tube as possible. After installation of SARA, please block out the complete mandibular arch with an elastic chain. This way you can stabilize the complete lower arch as one unit. Thanks to the universal size, there is no need for any intraoral measurements like with other appliances. The horizontal force vector reduces side effects and makes an adjustment of the maxilla attachment unnecessary. Installation of the appliance. Insert the long rod of the maxilla attachment from mesial into the headgear tube. Tighten an elastic or steel ligature from the hook of the buccal tube over the short mesial rod of the maxilla attachment. Place the pre-assembled mandibular arch wire adapter about 1 mm distal of the canine bracket on the steel arch wire. The closed side has to be occlusal. Tighten the screw with the Allen key. Make sure that you do not deform the steel arch wire. Activation of the appliance. SARA is supplied with a pre-assembled 3 Newton spring. It is activated automatically after proper installation. Further activation can be achieved by using the 1 and 2 mm spacer rings supplied with the appliance. According to your needs, you can use one or more of these spacer rings. Just crimp them on the guide rod. For this you can use, for example, Weingart pliers. As the need arises, the 3 Newton spring can be replaced with a 4 Newton spring. To do so, please check under Removal of the appliance. Removal of the appliance. Open the screw of the mandibular arch wire adapter and remove the guide rod together with the spring by simply pulling it apart. Remove the ligature which secures the maxilla attachment to the hook of the buccal tube. Remove the maxilla attachment together with the guide tube.